Are you ready? Hey, Princess House.
Hey, Princess House. This is my grandson, Jacob. We don't put him on screen, so he's what are you today, a stormtrooper? Is that what they're called? We are going to make a sweet surprise today, and it's banana strawberry nice cream. And we say nice cream because it doesn't have any of the high fat and high sugar. So this is just frozen strawberries. Jacob's going to help me. Go ahead, you can pour them all in here. Frozen strawberries. Yep, you can do it. Alrighty. And then we're going to go ahead and put in some frozen, well actually these aren't frozen, but they could be if you wanted them to be, strawberries. Would you put them in, please? And then that is it. We're going to add just 1 pinch of salt, and this just gives it a little bit of taste. That's all, honey. And then we're going to put it in the blender, and we're going to turn it on until it gets to be smooth. So you can make this 2 ways. It's going to be ready to eat right away, smooth, soft serve, or you can freeze it and it'll be hard. And what are you going to use when you freeze it? What are you going to get it out with? Oh, keep that on. What are you going to get it out with? Show them. I'm going to turn on the blender. So you're going to see that the blender will blend everything up. It goes from all 4 corners, so it's the high-speed blender. It really makes a big difference. And it's going to blend it until it's smooth. You'll see that it has a tamper, so if you want to mix things around, you can help it mix around a little bit, or you can just put the lid on. I don't need it right now. See it? So it's all mixing up.
That's super yummy.
It does, doesn't it? And so what happens is, as I said, this will be soft ice cream. Leave this on. And if you put it in the freezer, it will be harder ice cream. Leave it on. We're almost done.
I know this house fits in it.
And the other thing that I wanted to tell you is that this blender is great for so many different things. It has a smoothie button. It has a soup button. It actually makes soup in 7 minutes. It has, what's the other one? Dips and spreads. It has a pulse, so you can just pulse it if you want. That's when it does like this. Pulse it, and it pulses up. Or just turn it on. They have low, medium, and then high. You don't need high right now. All right? But it looks done, right? You want to try it? All right. Don't lift your mask. All right. Hang on. We'll see how don't lift it. I'll help you. I will help you. So this is like soft serve. It's going to be cold. Turn to me and do it. Now you can pick up your mask. Just turn to me. Put your mask back on. It's cold. So what do you think?
Yum!
It was good. That was a big yum. You want some?
Sure.
Okay. So this is
all
our.
done?
It is all done. This is our strawberry banana nice cream. Hope you enjoyed it. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com. And yep. Do you want to say goodbye?
Bye, Princess House. Boom.
Boom.